Perfectly moist and sweet, but in just the right amount. These zucchini muffins are easy to make and enjoyable to eat. What to do with all that random zucchini that keeps showing up on your porch? Or want to sneak some veggies into things that your kids will absolutely love? Well, look no further. I'm showing you today on the Stay at Home Chef how to take these green garden goodies and turn them into something that everyone will love. To start, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're going to start grating zucchini until we have about 2 cups worth, which is about 2 small zucchinis, give or take. I'm using a finer size of grate for my zucchini so that way I can hide it a little bit better, but the larger side will also work. Now if you've got one of those ginormous zucchinis from the garden, those will work as well. Just make sure you peel them and cut out the seeds. Once those are grated, go ahead and set that aside. Now in a large bowl or stand mixer, add in 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1.5 cups of firm packed brown sugar, and mix those ingredients together for about 1 minute. Then grab your zucchini that you just grated and add that in, the juices and all, and mix that together for about 1 minute on medium speed. Once that's combined, we're going to add in 2 large eggs, and then we're going to beat that again for about 1 more minute. Then we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, because the zucchini really is a blank canvas as far as flavors go, so that cinnamon adds such a great warmth to this recipe. Then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and give that a quick 15-second mix. Now add in 1/2 of the total flour, which is about a cup worth, and mix that until it's combined. You'll know it's combined when you don't see any more white flour specks, and be sure to push down the sides of the bowl as well. Then add in that remaining flour and mix that until it's well combined. Now the next step is optional because it's a little controversial to some people. You know who you are. But at this point in the recipe, you can choose to make some either mini chocolate chips or nuts, or get really crazy and do both. Personally, to me, zucchini muffins aren't very good without the chocolate chips, so I'm gonna add in 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips. Give it a quick mix to simply fold those in, and then we are ready to bake. So grab yourself a muffin pan and line the tin with 12 paper liners. Then lightly grease the paper liners so that when you go to enjoy that muffin, it doesn't stick to the paper. Divide your batter into 12 tins, making sure that none of the batter is filled higher than the muffin tin. This is also optional, but I love a little sprinkle of cinnamon sugar. Now we're ready to bake these in our preheated oven for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, we're going to reduce our oven temperature down to 355 degrees Fahrenheit, where they're going to bake for another 15 to 17 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Make sure to let your muffins cool in the pan for about 5 minutes before you move them to a wire rack, where they cool completely, and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.